What's going on? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we go about setting up ads to absolutely crush. We've helped our clients get anywhere from a 1.5 to over 10 return on ad spend, which means every $1 they spend, they make $10. And in this video, I'm going to show you just how to organize your ads so you can properly track them to know what's working, what's not working, and all the above. So number one, let's go on to the campaign level, then we'll go to the ad set level, and then we'll go to the ad level. And what I want to show you in this video is how to label it so that at a glance, you know what you are looking at. So what I like to do with these titles, and I'm just going to click over here. Don't get overwhelmed. My face might disappear because Facebook is interesting with what they let you record. We're just going to be looking for the major differences for the titling. So like what type of person did the video, what the offer is, what the sales flow is. So for us, I disappear. What we do with the name is the name of the UGC creator that we use, so Emily, the VSL, the video sales letter landing page, which is optins.com. So they come over to a landing page. And then what VSL that it's going to be. For us, it's Uncle Tim story VSL. And then what is a change from the baseline that you have. So we've changed the headlines in this one. So we're going to have this here. When you're just doing your regular one, you don't need to have headlines. Okay. So let me get out of here. Cool. This is the baseline right here. Emily, VSL, LP, landing page, Uncle Tim, VSL. So I want you to go into yours and figure out, okay, maybe it's Benny, right? Or practitioner key, or just key to keep it short. VSL landing page, or health freebie, right? Detox freebie. And then what type of VSL. That way, at a glance, you know what the heck you've got going on here. And then on the ad set level, as we go into the ad set, let's click on our main one. You're going to be differentiating by the targeting, right? The age, the gender, the interest, the behaviors. So let's go on and take a peek. We have all genders. We have shoppers, vegan nutrition, and veganism. Now, how did we get to this? I'm going to show you. When I go to edit on the ad set level, you can see that, let's actually show you all genders, shoppers, vegan, nutrition, and veganism. So let's look for genders. If I go here, gender, all genders, right? Engaged shoppers. So that's what shopper stands for. Vegan nutrition, veganism, their diets. So I have exactly what we're focusing here at a glance. Some of the things you don't need to touch if you're always doing age 25 to 40, you don't need to say 25 to 40 because that's for everything, right? So things like that. But if you're changing it, like if you're doing gender women for some and gender men, then you want to have all genders, and then you can make sure you're differentiating. So that's what we're doing here. Super simple. Everybody follow me so far? Amazing. Okay. And then when we get to the ad level, we're looking for headlines, primary text, and the creative. So let's go from our ad set that we're currently in into the actual ad. So for us, we have vegan ad 1, 2, and 3. And I want to do this specifically with you so you can see how I differentiate. So if I say ad level headlines, primary text, creative, how can I differentiate these? What can I do to differentiate? So let's look at this one. Vegan coaches. Let's go for the title, right? So we go here. I'm going to edit our title if it'll let us. She might not. She gotta love. Give it a quick refresh, eh? No, doesn't want us to change it. But you could see where my thought process would be, which is, and by the way, if you edit here and you change the name and you hit publish, it's dangerous because it's going to reset the ad, right, from the learning level. So I always change the name here, because otherwise you are going to be in big trouble. It's going to reset the learning phase, which you don't want, especially if you're active, right? That's a different video. So this is how we want to set up the ad titles. Okay.